Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40.
I'm here.
Stella Bug's here. She's still over there playing that Roblox game. Okay,
Roblox.
Oh, Roblox, sorry. Okay, Stella Bug and I did this let me take you down just a little bit, of course.
Roblox is like something you have to pay for. This is Roblox.
Oh, I'm sorry. And you know what, Stella, I done lost that remote again.
Oh my.
I know, I don't know where I put it. There it is.
I was about to get up.
You about to get up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Casey's coming.
Casey's coming over here?
Yes.
Okay, this is our Margaret Miller Week 47, and it is something purple, block print or all caps, a famous city, a music symbol, graph paper, and bonus is a game or puzzle piece. Okay, so this is what I did, and I used the Wilted Violet Distress ink, and
You got the cat.
I do got the cat arms. Something purple, and the purple and the balloons, famous city, block print, puzzle piece, and a music symbol. And the graph paper is behind it.
Hi.
Okay, so we did this, but of course, you know, the volume was all down and carried on. And so there we go. That is what we did for our week 47. Yay. All right, see y'all on the next go round.
This was very.
Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. Okay, it is our Margaret Miller collage challenge for week 47. Our Stella's Bug is here with me today.
Crafting with Juju, she's your new best friend. She's crafting her way, the back 40 style. Getting your craft on, smile after smile. Liking it, loving it, or graveyard in it. Let's do it back 40 style. It's a perfect fit. In the craft room, the dreams come to life. No stress, no worries, not a bit of strife. Juju's got the spark and a touch of flair. Crafting together, there's magic in the air. Grab your glue gun and your color flare. Let's craft it out until it's time for bed. Juju's got the way to make your day worthwhile. Join her now, let's do it back 40 style.